Can you solve this? 48 minus 12. Is it 60? Is it 36? Let's learn how to subtract two-digit numbers. Hello everyone, welcome back to our math lesson. Today we will learn two-digit subtraction. We will subtract numbers with tens and ones. And today the subtraction is easy. It is called subtraction without borrowing. Let's begin.
Count and write.
Look at the tomatoes. There are 23 tomatoes. Some tomatoes are taken away. 11 tomatoes are removed. So we write 23 minus 11. Let's count the tomatoes left. There are 12 tomatoes. So we say 23 minus 11 is 12. Now, let's learn how to subtract step by step.
Look, listen and repeat. Do 48 minus 12.
8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. 48 minus 12 is 36.
Look at this example. 48 minus 12. We subtract in two steps. Step number 1. Subtract the ones. First, subtract the ones. 8 minus 2 is 6. Step number 2. Subtract the tens. Now subtract the tens. 4 minus 1 is 3. So the answer is 48 minus 12 is 36. 48 minus 12 is 36. Look carefully. In the ones place we have 8 minus 2. 8 is bigger than 2, so we do not need to borrow. This is called subtraction without borrowing. Remember the rule. Subtract the ones first, then subtract the tens. Great! Now let's practice.
1. Subtract and say.
Example 1. 67 minus 13. Subtract the ones. 7 minus 3 is 4. Subtract the tens. 6 minus 1 is 5. So the answer is 67 minus 13 is 54. 67 minus 13 is 54. Example 2. 58 minus 22. Subtract the ones. 8 minus 2 is 6. Subtract the tens. 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is 58 minus 22 is 36. 58 minus 22 is 36. Example 3. 94 minus 31. Subtract the ones. 4 minus 1 is 3. Subtract the tens. 9 minus 3 is 6. So the answer is 94 minus 31 is 63. 94 minus 31 is 63. Excellent. Now, let's check the answers.
2. Look and tick or cross.
Look at the subtraction. If it is correct, tick. If it is wrong, cross. Number 1. 88 minus 16 is 72. 8 minus 6 is 2. 8 minus 1 is 7. So the answer is 72. Correct. Number 2. 29 minus 22 is 11. 9 minus 2 is 7. 2 minus 2 is 0. The answer should be 7, not 11. So this is wrong. Cross. Number 3. 73 minus 12 is 51. 3 minus 2 is 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. The answer should be 61. So this is wrong. Cross. Number 4. 45 minus 11 is 34. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So the answer is 34. Correct.
Let's play.
Now let's see maths in real life. Look at the boy. He wants to buy an apple. The apple costs 13. The boy has 55, so we need to calculate. 55 minus 13. Let's subtract step by step. First, subtract the ones. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now subtract the tens. 5 minus 1 is 4. So the answer is 55 minus 13 is 42. The boy had 55. He spent 13. Now he has 42 left. Great! Math helps us when we buy things. Excellent work today. Today we learned two-digit subtraction. And we learned an easy rule. Subtraction without borrowing. Subtract the ones first. Then subtract the tens. Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.